In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect HubSpot to n8n. By the end, you'll have a secure connection set up so you can start automating your HubSpot tasks from within n8n with confidence. First, open n8n in your browser, head to the n8n website and open your workspace, then create a new workflow so you're looking at a blank canvas. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead. On the empty canvas, click Add First Step. This adds your first node and opens the node picker, where you can choose which app you want to work with. In the search bar, type HubSpot and select the HubSpot node. This is the official integration that lets you work with contacts, companies, deals, tickets, and more. Once the node is added, you'll see an option to choose what the node should do. Pick an action that matches your use case, create a record, find one, update one. Any action is fine right now because the next part is about connecting your account. Find the field labeled credentials or credential to connect with and open the drop-down. You'll see an option to create a new credential. Click that to set up a secure connection to your HubSpot account. n8n will offer a few authentication methods: OAuth2, API key, and app token. OAuth2 is the most common and user-friendly, and it's generally recommended because it's more secure and easier to manage. App tokens are great if you're using HubSpot private apps and want granular control. Keep in mind that traditional API keys are being phased out in many HubSpot accounts, so OAuth2 or an app token will usually be the best choice. For this walkthrough, choose OAuth2. You'll land on a screen where you can start the connection. Click Connect My Account. A HubSpot window will open asking you to choose the correct HubSpot account and approve permissions. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you select the right one for this workflow. Grant the requested access. These scopes allow the node to perform the actions you choose. If your HubSpot has extra security like two-factor authentication, complete that as prompted. Once it connects successfully, you'll be brought back to n8n. Click Save to store the credential. Give it a clear name so you can recognize it later and confirm that the credential shows as connected. That's it. Your HubSpot node is now authenticated and ready to use. From here, you can configure the actions fields and continue building your automation. If you ever run into permission errors, double check the selected HubSpot account and scopes, or use an app token with the necessary access.